And we're back with yet again another update on the overall market. Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys seem to be enjoying these market analysis updates. Of course, during times like these, I will keep you guys covered. But, today is a very, very important day. Exactly what we projected last night is happening. Of course, over the weekends, CME futures are closed. You do tend to see more manipulation than usual. But, Bitcoin has done it. And what Bitcoin has done is something we've been speaking about. And again, I'm going to share, a little later in this update as to what I'm really referring to. So, as we started Monday, you are seeing market tumbling more towards the downside. And I know a lot of people are going to scratch their heads saying, Crypto ZX, your crypto markets are never closed. Yes, but remember the correlation. If stock market goes down, you do tend to see, or if stock market is feeling uncertain, if there's a lot of uncertainty towards stock market, you will see that follow in crypto prices as well. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now happening. So a lot of red. If you're looking across the board, even of the last 7 days, a major red. And I know a lot of people, like this as an opportunity to accumulate, especially for your long-term positions. I'm sure, a lot of people are happy because, of course, based off of my last market analysis update, I did see a lot of people saying, we're happy, at the prices going down, just gives them a better chance, pick up the coins that, they specifically like. So whether you're holding Litecoin, Sui, Cardano, Solana, whatever the case may be, this all applies to you in this case because this right here is affecting the entire market. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I really want to kind of share this with you guys. This is a take from Max Brown, BTC, on Twitter. He or she says, Trump wants to crash the stock market. The U.S. government has to refinance the $7 trillion of debt in the next 6 months. There's no way Trump wants to refinance it at a current 10-year yields. This is why he's crashing the stock market and pumping the bond prices. As bond prices will go up, yields will come down, and the U.S. government will be able to refinance their debt at a cheaper, interest rate. So not only that, lower bond yields will also push the Feds to do a rate cut, which is bullish for risk on assets such as cryptocurrencies. So do not panic over the short term and look at the longer picture. Very, very interesting take. Do let me know your personal thoughts down below. But yeah, there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful. Be fearful while others are greedy. And as we know right now, there is a lot of fear across the board. And, there are people that are being greedy right now, picking up their long-term positions at, such a big discount. And speaking about a discount, let's take a look at it, guys. You are seeing over just the last 1 week, a lot of coins down 35%, and on the monthly time frame, it's even more than that. So in terms of, a sale, it's definitely there. But could the prices really go down lower? We're going to take a look at that. But let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with the prices right now. So as far as the dominance is concerned, you guys can see it's picking up 61.43% as of now. Obviously, it's nowhere near, the wick that we saw back on February the 3rd at 64.32%. But you never know. You never know. We could actually make our way up to that range. And of course, as dominance picks up strength against BTC, you are going to see altcoins going down much more. So that's something I've been telling you guys from the beginning, and it's really starting to show. But what's really starting to be quite interesting here is what Bitcoin has done. A lot of people were calling me overly bearish for no reason. When the price were to retest the 23.6, I said, we saw a rejection. The chances of us seeing a double bottom is still in play. And look at that. Today, we saw that double bottom for Bitcoin at $78,000 price point. Yes, you've had it here. We have seen that double bottom. And of course, it's that major fake out towards the upside. Clearly seems like a fake out at this point because, the price is making its way back towards the downside. But what's crazy here is your boy has been talking to you guys about the $73,000 key support. And, this is a level we haven't really seen, pretty much since Donald Trump has been elected president, because once he was officially announced as the elected president, the market boomed. So we would be retesting the levels, before he became a president. So this level of support is extremely important. And right now, I hate to say it, the $73,000 is looking more likely than ever, because right now there's not much support. We might see some support around $77,000, but not significant amount of support. The main target here remains to be 73.7K. I've been speaking to you guys about this for a long time, and here we have it. We're really seeing these targets not seem too far off now. So if you want to put this into perspective in terms of the move itself, that's only a 6.3% move. And of course, if you see the price of Bitcoin today, obviously we might see a little bit of a fake out. Wouldn't be surprised if we see a little bit of a fake out up to 81.6 even, after we did this double bottom. But if the price, briefly even goes below this and is unable to close the daily candle above this range, I do believe, that this is a very strong possibility. And in that case, I do expect dominance to start pushing up, which means altcoins will go lower in that case. I know no one wants to hear this, but we need to look at it from a realistic standpoint. And I've said this 1,000 times. If you look at the previous, historic bull markets, even the most recent one back in 2021, we have seen swings of 55% pullbacks in a bull market. So that would, and again, not saying that would necessarily become a reality this time around, because of course demand is so much higher, but you never know. Crypto bulls and the bears can really have, a major battle, and you never know what can happen despite institutional interest coming in. So that would really put the price of Bitcoin, at around insane levels. So again, if you want to put this from, all-time high perspective, a 55% drop for BTC would put it at around, you could see this for yourself, guys, around 46K, around $46,000. So, compared to that, we are still quite, far off that. So that's something I want you guys to keep in mind right now. Let me know down below what you guys think. The next few hours are very, very critical. You obviously don't want to be, kind of neglecting Bitcoin's price, but let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button and come join the Crypto ZX army. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.